So you might remember not long ago we filmed Jason fitting an O2 Rush pod filter to this Signal. Now it's a 100% street legal LS powered car. Took it on drag challenge, did a couple of 1,000 kilometres on it, and now we're going to pull the filter out and give it a clean. As you can see, this is pretty filthy. It's been in the car for a while, sticks and dirt and all sorts of stuff in it. Got this filter reconditioning kit in it. It's got a cleaner and a conditioner in it. It's going to make it like new. The first job is to clean the filter. Apply about 50 to 100 mils of cleaner directly onto the foam like this. Next, massage the foam until the suds form and take on the colour of the dirt. Dip the foam into clean water. Continue to massage until the residual dirt and conditioner are fully rinsed out of the filter. Rinse at least 3 times with clean water until all of the cleaner is washed out. Just don't leave it to soak. Next, we want to dry it thoroughly with a cloth and allow it to air dry until all the moisture has been removed. Okay, so we're nearly done. Make sure the filter is completely dry before you put the conditioner on it. Ryco's hot tip is to use a little bit of hot water. See the conditioner in there just to warm it up before you put it on. Next, work the conditioner into foam by folding then firmly squeezing, leaving no dry area. Only a slight residue of conditioner should remain on your fingers when pinching the foam. That's when you know the job's done. Any leftover conditioner can be poured back into the bottle and reused. Okay, so it's all done. It looks like a brand new one again. I'm going to put it back in the car. Ryco recommend doing this every 10 to 15,000 Ks depending on what sort of driving you're doing. But if you want to check out some more Ryco tips and tricks, head to their Facebook page or YouTube channel.